For this time, open for the mabawi doon. Tapos na lang yan. And for baseball, passing for 3. Yes, sir! Another possession. Takes out Cervantes for 3. Yes, sir! Cervantes. Ikas pa yan dito. Cervantes again. Napunta tayo sa goal. Takes time to Roy. That is no good. Para dito. Takes final to 8 lane. Takes 2. Got it. To get the finish. Gives only one para dito sa kanilang kanto. Another 3. Yes, sir! That's Cervantes. 10 seconds to shoot. Come on, grab it. Ako dito kay Goyong. Napakalitin sa labas. Yes, sir! 3! Takes it open. Mott, another 3. Matt Cervantes. 3! But this time, 34 minutes. You're out of team on the field line. Dito, open dito. Walang nabantay-bantay. Next one. Ating assist. This basket is good. Steve, so magkabangan ng pasatin. No hesitation for a shot. Nakatabad na dito. Kamora, nakaiwas ang sa gitna. Huli ka, Bang! Bawal yan! And this will be from Mr. Yola. But this time, wrong from jumper. Not good for this time. Maybe now for the last 5 seconds. 5 seconds back. Grabe ka sa pagbagal. Abo! Takes on another, takes it open. Pakikisa natin sa labas. Takes on right, losing. Takes it natin sa inside step, but this time, good rebound for Rob. Good one, another ball possession is in. Muli yun sa pagpasa. Takes on the floor. Marami ng Orioles. That's another possession for them. 10 more to shoot though. Back with 2 points. Yes, sir! Inside, what a ball possession. It's on 3. Tumingin pa yun. Take a look at me right now. It's on the running. It's not on the ball possession. Offense. Good one. Back pass. Tornillo. I think it's 2 points pa. Dito kay Nakip. First time na full court na dito ang Burwood made. To make sure na wala ng momensa dito ang Burwood 6 minutes 10 seconds. 10 seconds. Open second na. Grounded. 2 points. Good finish. Para dito na kay Burwood. So difference for February. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Open doon sa ilalim. Next time for Mark Cervantes. Round for this time. Attempt, good enough. Nice steal. And also we have another whistle. Having officials. Inside of the ball possession. Inside for this time for Johnson for Dre. Not good. Rebound. And that's a more goals. Inside again 9. We have found on number 5. Only with 4 minutes and 29 seconds. You can almost start. Open on. Fake wrong. Good for listen on. Fake wrong. Good for listen forward. Good finish. Next time number 14. Another on the baseline. Another. This will be a pushing foul. Got it, save, one more. Big for 2 points. Really sees the 30. Nakapapong makakasa na yun. 10 seconds. It's not all the session right now. Pumasok ko na. Ito ang sinong. Kaysa kayo ng 66 Flores, wala dito ang rock. Easy, hindi nga lang mga nakuha sa ilalim, open doon. Ayan na, nag-upisa na para sa si RB Rumora. Magkakaroon sila ng dynamic dito. At sa start ng ating second quarter. And we have Sierra. Isa na ng ball possession. Another one. 35 seconds. Take time. Derek, who are on way to Bispo. Take a run. Steal. Bupin na naman sila. Ayan na! Let's run! Ang lalim doon. Para ito ay gusto ng iwanay. Kita talaga, iwanay doon sa ilalim. Steal! Huli-huli yun! At pinayaan na. And another ball possession right now. Time! Still go good for Nelly. For Buddies! Got it! 2 points for Matt J. Buddies. Lost it for late. Bola-bola yun. Come on. Discarded bago na karon kay edition eh. Joshua lang ani kay. Come on, you discarded. It's back open. Jumper na naman. Itong si Timothy. Next time for Mark. To Cardinal. Mark again. Lost it for Dre. 10. Arthur Prates. 3. And goal shoot. Dapat dito. It's like open. Running for the bounce.
Bakit po sila dito?
Inside for Marks. Further naman ang susubok. Yes, sir! He's Quarterman. Inside for the ball possession. Open nyo sa gitna. Garrett for Julito. Yung kanina siya na itong si Julito nakabulog. Foul, 13 foul para dito sa Bulldogs. Take time for Ron. Sadalia. Again, small pass. Again, drive. Again, steal. Nakapasok. Again, players, stay. your bench. Again, inside again para dito kaya Joshua Cervantes, Carlo Gabriel. Again, inuwa lang yun. Dito kay Ramos Termora. Well, again, now, inuwa lang ang mangga. So we have it now on top. And also we have 2 minutes and 4 seconds left on the third quarter. Lost it. Not good. Tumulog yun. Another steal. Marami sa mga Burgos. Board up over yan. Another. Nakalit ka pa yung Makulog. Natapon na lang. Another possession for Rom. Rom's it for Laundry. Rom's the big side. There's an open for Billy. No. Oh! Open for the down. Mahalito at below. Other side. Open to the mind. That is not good for Alvin Obispo. So now, so 14 pounds. Big time open. Paligito below. That is good to place. Below. Number 20 seconds on the board. Lost it for Gray. Not good. Block. Another rebound. Take for Cordemir. Turon. It is 7-0. 9 on the shot clock. 5 seconds. Lost it for Gray. Not good. Just knock it off. One possession. Number 14. Takes a game. Then I come live. Takes out another ball possession. By good over number 17 for Joshua. That's good for that pass. Back on lane. Para din sa marunong kay Burgos. Ace Contreano. Basket is good. Ace Contreano. Basket is good. This will be a bonus shot para dito kay Christian Salvador. Flores sides in. Not good. Another rebound. Big time on number 14 right now. All have a tennis station. Para sa kanyang tira. That is going to be Flora. Taysay, go good. 8-3-8. Good for Ramon. Good po para dito kay Gian Hoyne. 8 minutes and 35 seconds on the border to give the number 75. Isabel, loose ball. Comes on number 7. Got it for Alvin Obispo. That is all good for Raymond Pilo. 61 to 79. 18 points lead over every couple for Gray. Service control for Jack Mon. And we're going to get another ball possession right now. Side pass. Okay, Dane. Wala tinis sa nila. Tracy Logan. Yes, sir! Arnie Tamara. 3! Hopkins first personal foul. Sam Manalo for Palace. Wala pa dito pass again. Jay got it for 2 points for Jay Palace. 7 minutes and 18 seconds for the last quarter of this ball game. Personal foul. Another ball possession dito. Second team foul para dito sa bagay for Lane. Another para dito for Camora. Another pass. Save. 8 on the shot clock. Launch it for Gray. No, that is too short. 6 minutes and 57 seconds, almost 7 minutes of the last quarter. Takes on number 5. Cervantes. Yeah. And then the ball game 6 minutes and 46 seconds. Take down Program Red Bull 2. Sa ilalim. Traveling violation at towards line. Then for Mark, ang may taning dito ang bola. Ay po Paris. Paris, nag-give all ball para dito kay Pino. Tumatakbo naman dito mga kasul. Big shot, 2 points, sumobra nga lang doon. Tignan po natin for Mark. Diyan naman. 15 on the shot clock. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. 64-81. Cervantes, Tomon. Sa gitna, Flores Garrett, 2 points. Madalas na butas ang depensa doon. Nagkaya ka doon. Then back to the game. Para dito sa mga game. Mark. Si John na po. Kasi for Dre. Yes sir! Yan naman. 3! Late time for number 14. Sa kanyang kanto. Pamora. So good. On the steal. Takes it over. Tatlo sa isang laban ng Mendo. That is a good lane para dito ay Timo Bigones. Dito sa kanyang mga kampi sa loob. Basta tayo si Bigones natin islapin dito para sa mga asul. 5 minuto, alas ka natin sa ating last quarter. That is called steal. And another lane. Get it! Get 2 points para dito. Kay Nat Cervantes. Steal. Nat for Mark. Another. John Nico. Got it. 64-92, 4 minutes and 46 seconds right now. Trade for Pino. Nasa ito, nakakasukag para dito kay David Pino. Minutes and 18 seconds. The shot is number 14. Bounce it for Dre. And good for Matt. Dorstan. We have 2 points. Tanya out for the pride Brooklyn. Bianca Maya and the SK Council. At the time, we have 4 minutes and 3 seconds for the last quarter of this ball game. Back online. We have a dropping violation. And the second step. And it's like balik tayo sa ating tambangan. We will do this here. Right now, Pito. Kulang-alang sa kaya sila. Dito kay Pito. 3 minutes and 45 seconds. 68-92. Back on lane. Take time for Liwana. Pasa dito kay Carlo. That is for sure. Nagawa lang po mga kasul. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Kaya big happy foul. Dito din ka. Take it off on the home session. Kali tayo pito. Time out. Barangay Brody. Another 2 minutes and 5 seconds. 92. Level lane, Barangay Obispo. 10 seconds to shoot. Obispo drive. Pass on the mid lane. Garrett. Flores. Mag-give. Balikan dito para sa mga kasul. Another ball possession. Garrett. Sumalong doon sa ere. Para sa time, balik dito sa mga puti. Flores again. Inipan na naman. Garrett. Basket is good. 2-2 and Barangay Brooklyn. This time Flores takes a one shot. Garrett. ACB ay Team E. This time okay. Hindi ko kasi nagawa. And this time 10 minutes and 25 seconds. They got for Joshua Liwana. For part winner.
73 tayo.
On the shot now.
Ayun.
Karen. Dito, nalaliwan. 2 minutes and 5. Steal. Another bad time. What's the whole game? Last 2 minutes. Yeah, you're Roberts. 2 minutes of this game's third region. 97. For the time, also it's last pick. 8 on the shot now. For number 3. Not good. And for the time, hindi ko parang kayang Rolyon. Rolyon ka rin. Dito. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 73-97. Pioneer sa ilalim. Yan pa 2-0. That is very good. Dito sa 14. 1 minute and 9 seconds. Not good. One possession na dito. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Lost it for break. Yes, sir! 7-6-29. Not good. Flores! Sumabay ka pa! Huwag ka lang malikot! Matatapo dahil para dito kay Timothy Flores. A wonderful play from Timothy Flores. May kasama pang foul. And time out for the guy number 2. One of the posterized there. Timothy Flores para sa time. Pito, got it. 45 seconds left. Steal for the side. Ayan. Aantay ang panibagong salpak dito. 30 seconds left. Nagbigyan mo na daw, Timothy. Shot against under the 10 seconds. Parang gusto pumasok niya.